Hey everyone, Minisforum N5 Pro represents bold step forward in network-attached storage design, merging workstation-grade internals with expansive connectivity. At its heart is Ryzen AI 9HX370 APU, powerful chip based on AMD's latest Phoenix 2 architecture with built-in RDNA 3 graphics and AI acceleration. This APU makes N5 Pro not just a high-end NAS, but a flexible compute node capable of taking on edge workloads, container hosting, and even light virtualization tasks. One of defining features of N5 Pro is its sheer scalability. It supports up to 96 gigabytes of DDR5 ECC memory, ensuring both high bandwidth and data integrity, an important feature for storage-focused environments. Even more striking is the device's support for up to 144 terabytes of internal storage, positioning it among the most expandable NAS solutions on the consumer market. This puts it squarely in prosumer and small business territory, potentially replacing more expensive rack-mounted systems in studio or lab settings. Physically, the unit is compact but not miniature, measuring 199 by 202 by 252 millimeters. The chassis is designed for airflow and accessibility, and it includes a full-size PCIe by 16 slot, a rare sight in desktop NAS units. This opens the door to powerful upgrades like dedicated GPUs, capture cards, or hardware RAID controllers. The inclusion of an OCULINK interface further enhances the expansion potential, making it feasible to connect external GPUs or other high-speed peripherals, which is a huge advantage for AI or video processing tasks. Network capabilities are also robust, with both 5 gigabits per second and 10 gigabits per second LAN ports. These allow the N5 Pro to serve in high-throughput environments where large media files or real-time data access are critical. This connectivity, combined with the internal compute power, could allow the device to double as a server for content creation, rendering, or machine learning workloads, an unusual but welcome flexibility in this category. Minisforum is also approaching the software side thoughtfully. While the N5 Pro can function as a powerful mini PC, it will ship with support for dedicated NAS operating systems, including FreeBSD, TrueNAS, and Unraid. This makes it viable for both storage-focused users and those who need a mixed-role appliance. Compared to Minisforum's earlier offerings like X1 Pro, the N5 Pro stands out as a multi-purpose device rather than a specialized mini PC. In conclusion, Minisforum N5 Pro is more than just a NAS. It is a hybrid system that blurs the lines between storage server, desktop workstation, and edge AI node. With pre-sales starting July 1st, the N5 Pro enters a niche yet growing market segment with a compelling mix of performance, expandability, and software versatility. It's clearly targeted at tech-savvy users, content professionals, and small businesses who need more than just a file server. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.